Welcome to Short Courses. Believe in yourself. 10 quotes that will make you believe in yourself again. You don't set out to build a wall. You don't say, I'm going to build the biggest, greatest wall that's ever been built. You don't start there. You say, I'm going to lay this brick as perfectly as a brick can be laid. You do that every single day. And soon you have a wall. You are unique. There has never been another you, and never will be. So make the best for yourself. We all have our low points, whether they are personal or professional. We hit roadblocks and obstacles all the time. At some point, we think quitting is the only option. But let me be the first to say, the day you quit is the day you lose forever. Age is just a number, nothing else. Age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. Failure should be our teacher, not our undertaker. Failure is delay, not defeat. It is a temporary detour, not a dead end. When we give ourselves permission to fail, we, at the same time, give ourselves permission to excel. Don't wait until everything is just right. It will never be perfect. There will always be challenges, obstacles, and less than perfect conditions. So what? Get started now. With each step you take, you will grow more stronger, more skilled, more self-confident, and more successful. If people are not laughing at your goals are too small. Don't be afraid of failing. You can't succeed without failing. There is no shame in failure, only in not trying. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Hope these quotes will make you believe in yourself again. If you want more inspirational videos, then don't forget to subscribe. If you believe in yourself, then don't forget to share this with others so they can also start believing in themselves. Have a great day.